taking a look over a nice sunrise at Kennebunk Beach this morning. It is 6:15 this Saturday and going to be a pretty good one, Erin. Despite the fact that it does feel more like February. So just keep that in mind. It's colder out there today.
I mean, but we're just back to where we should be.
Right, exactly.
It's
just a shock after, Thursday's temperatures were kind of wild and very unexpected.
People got into the upper
Threw
50s.
me off. I was like, what month are we living in? Where are we?
Oh, everyone thought it was spring.
Yeah.
Everyone thought we were in spring, and that's just not the case. Sorry, I walked a little bit too fast on that one. But we are not in spring. We're back in winter for the day today, but I mean, it's the middle of February. We are in the middle of winter, so that makes a lot of sense out there. Now, everything we had yesterday has since moved off to our east, so really not seeing those issues anymore, but even with that, we are gonna see some leftover, slippery, some ice in some spots on your car. You're gonna really need to scrape it off this morning, but nothing overly impactful for your day. Just watch out for a few spots of some black ice on the roads and in the parking lots and the sidewalks as well. If you don't have to drive today, or at least for the first part of your day, the sun's gonna help you out with your ice on the car a little bit because it's gonna be sunny all day long. I don't know where our clock is around here, but we have the sun rising in probably like half an hour, so we'll be good on that home front. We're gonna have it pretty sunny for the oh, there's a clock right there on the screen. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty good one, about 30 minutes until the sun rises for your day today. Now, temperatures across the board this morning. If you're in southwestern Maine, sitting in the upper teens. A little bit further up, we're seeing it a tiny bit cooler. Temperatures are still just getting back to where we would be for this time of year. Obviously, some days are a bit colder than normal, but overall, just getting back to normal temperatures for your day today. High temperatures today are going to be in the 30s today, but right where we should be on this one as well. We're seeing it sticking for everybody here, really along the coast, low to mid 30s in southwestern Maine, a little bit cooler for the rest of us who live a little bit further inland. So we are seeing a typical day here, but with lots of sunshine staying in the forecast as well. As we continue a little bit further into your weekend, Sunday is going to start off with lots of sun again, so still another nice one on that home front. But as we continue into the rest in the second half of your Sunday, that's where we're going to start to see more clouds building back into the forecast. Those will carry over into your day on Monday as well. And then from there, a couple of rain showers trying to make their way in. You can see these aren't looking really overly impactful or really that relevant, but you still will have a few showers popping back into your forecast on Monday. Tuesday, a little bit of mix trying to make its way in. But again, we're not looking at anything crazy here, but still enough to make everything a little bit more slick outside. We'll keep posting you guys as we get closer to that event. The big one that we're looking for this week, not necessarily even big, just the more decent, the best chance for the impact is going to be on Thursday. We have another system moving through. It's going to bring some snow and some mix to the area. The rain-snow line is still trying on this model, showing a little bit further south. I think it's going to be more along the state, but we'll get that narrowed down as we get a little bit closer to that event, and that'll carry over in through your day Thursday into the first part of your day on Friday. Rain forecast today sees are at 4 to 7 feet for your day. Small craft advisory in place for the next 45 minutes, so that's not going to affect the majority of your day, but overall, it will be a pretty nice one, even though it will be seasonably cold out there. After that, we're going to see those two little bits of some light mix, like I was saying. It'll clear out as we go Thursday into Friday. Coast forecast, the same general thing out there. Just seeing it a little bit warmer by a couple of degrees, but overall the week, it's February.
Yeah.
This is where we're supposed to be. So, this is not that shocking of a week overall. It's just kind of shocking where we've been.
Right.
The warm temperatures being in the upper 40s.
Right, exactly. All
It's been
relative.
warm.
All right.
Exactly.
Thank you, Erin.